Hello guys and welcome back to Angie's Table. So we're starting our summer series, right? And so we're gonna be making two things today. The first one's gonna be that thing I saw on TikTok. It's like a pesto egg open face sandwich, we'll call it. And also we're gonna be making a caramelized fig burrata salad. I love burrata and this salad is gonna be bomb. So let's go check out the ingredients and get started. So we're gonna start off with the salad first. So I'm gonna just start by cutting my figs up into boards. Wow, this is a big one. Figs just started becoming in season, so it should be fairly easy to find them at the grocery store now. I love figs. If you guys have watched our previous open face sandwich video, I had figs with cream cheese and honey and literally the best combo. But for a salad, this is amazing. It's a boss combo. I did not. Best combo. Let's get a pan ready because we're gonna start caramelizing this with some brown sugar. I'll add the figs in. Now we're gonna cook this, and now we're gonna caramelize this, and it doesn't matter if the figs aren't as tasty because that brown sugar will give you that sweetness.
Are you Southern?
I have it on low to medium heat, and make sure to keep stirring it around so it doesn't burn. I don't even know if it's a fig. That's sweet.
Tastes like candy.
It's so good. I'm gonna let it caramelize a little more. Figs aren't a super common fruit, right? I think I've only heard about it because I remember it like fig trees from the Bible, I think. I've never really, don't give me a weird look. When I started living by myself and I started venturing out with my food taste, I tried fig and it was just freaking bomb. I really like figs. I think it looks really pretty on cheese boards. I think it looks really pretty on top of sandwiches. Yeah, figs are an awesome fruit, especially when you caramelize it like this. And then top it off on your salad. It is the best. So now we're gonna assemble the salad. If you guys don't know what burrata cheese is, the outside of it is like fresh mozzarella and the inside of it is so creamy, almost ricotta cheese, the cheese that goes inside lasagna. You get two of the best things in one. So I have my bed of spring mix. So I'm gonna lay this down in the middle and I'm gonna add in the figs. So I'm just gonna put it all around it. It's like sticking because it's so caramelized. I'm using low-fat balsamic vinaigrette from Trader Joe's. Black pepper on the cheese, and we're done. And now we're gonna work on the sandwich, and I weirdly have butter sticking onto the butter knife, but I just got like a little, oh, does it have?
Were you gonna say poop?
So we're going to toast the bread because Grace does not have a toaster. I think she's the weirdest person in the world. So we're just gonna butter it up and toast it on the pan and then work on the pesto egg. Okay, let's add our bread. Get all that butter on there. Let's flip this over. Oh, why do I love carbs so much?
Doesn't it smell so good with the butter?
Yeah, but it's not healthy. I like just bread.
But it tastes better with the butter. That's what it's called, butter. That's butter.
So if you guys haven't seen pesto egg, look it up on TikTok. It's literally everywhere, and I had to try it and it was really good, so I have to give it to the Gen Z. So once again, you guys did it. It was actually good. I don't know, it's on TikTok. I just think TikTok is Gen Z. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our pesto. I really like the pesto at Costco, but if you guys check out our earlier videos, we have like 3 videos on pesto. It is so good if you make it yourself. Like it just tastes completely different. Why are you shaking your head?
No, I'm like
Agree?
agreeing with
Yeah,
you.
significantly better. So if you guys have the time and want to make a big batch of pesto, go ahead and make it because it will make the world of a difference. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in the pesto and then cook our eggs on top of that. So let's spread that. And this is optional. I'm gonna add in some red pepper flakes. I have that on medium heat. Ow! I'm getting like attacked. Ow, I'm dying. The pesto egg's just about done cooking. You just have to let it rest until the egg is done to your liking. I waited till the white parts were a little bit more cooked. So I'm gonna set this aside so it still cooks a bit more. Now,
And she's cutting an avocado.
it's not a good idea. Okay, I'm getting scared. Ta-da!
Ooh, those are teeny.
Yeah, I got the tiny ones.
Oh, from Trader Joe's?
So I'll put half of an avocado here, and the other half there. Get a fork. Oh, do you hear the breath? Place the egg on top.
Dr. Seuss thought ahead of time when he said green eggs and ham. He thought green eggs.
Top it off with some black pepper, and we're done. So let's, oh my god, it's so good. A little bit of, and get a fork of everything. Like this. Ah. Game over. So good. You need to take a bite. Isn't it so good? Like the figs and then the cheese is just so good, guys. Like it's, I feel really bad saying so good, but it really is so good. Okay, let's try this sandwich next. Are you ready? Oh, you really want to do that. It's like a very convenient breakfast food to have as well because it's pretty easy.
It's so good.
Oh, the yolk.
Put it down.
The best.